I had to do this video because a lot of people have been asking me what I've been doing differently that is making my small YouTube channel grow so fast. Now, your YouTube channel might not be performing as you would wish because of a few hidden mistakes that you've been overlooking. Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix those simple mistakes and get your channel back on track so that you can get the views, watch hour, and even YouTube recommending your videos. So stick around because the last tip is a game changer and you don't want to miss it. And before we even proceed, if you are watching my video for the first time, make sure that you subscribe so that you never miss out on any growth tip that I'll be sharing with you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. So let's jump straight into it. Now, why isn't your channel performing so well? Many creators unknowingly have settings that are limiting their reach. This could be wrong upload defaults, like their titles, video descriptions, and tags are not well optimized. This could also be because of their channel layout issues, like their homepage isn't grabbing attention that would attract viewers to watch their videos. This could also be because of their video visibility. Some settings are on and others are off, and they don't know what to do with those settings to optimize their videos. So let's fix these issues now and put your channel back on track. So let's check these quick fixes out. And the first fix is upload defaults. Now, why is it even important? Upload defaults is important because it saves time and effort. You don't have to manually enter descriptions, tags, or visibility settings for every video. And it also ensures consistency across all your uploads. It also boosts SEO and visibility because automatically includes important keywords in your description and tags. And it also helps YouTube understand your content and suggest it to the right audience. So, and not forget, it also helps you reduce mistakes and missing details because there's no risk of forgetting essential links, hashtags, and disclaimers. So let's check it out. So you go to your Chrome browser, because you should get this. You should not go to your YouTube Studio app, but you should go to your YouTube Studio dashboard, the web version. So let's go to our Chrome browser. Click on it. Now, before you even proceed, this one is very important. Make sure that you set your dashboard into a desktop version. Now, let me make more sense out of this. You see, when your studio dashboard is not set into a desktop version, that is when you are using a phone, there are certain features that YouTube only loads in the desktop version and it cannot load them when you are using a phone. So you have to set your page into a desktop version so that YouTube can load these features. So how do you do that? Tap on these three dots here at the top right corner here. Tap on it. Then come down here, desktop site. As you can see, mine is already checked. It means that my page is working like a computer. And if you don't do that, it means YouTube will not load certain features that it only loads in the desktop version. So you have to fix that first before you even proceed to do the setup. So to go to your upload defaults, tap on settings down here. You see my upload defaults here, tap on it. You see mine is already set. I have my description there, my default description. So this applies to all my videos because my niche is YouTube growth. So I've added all the keywords and all that is needed in this niche. As you can see, my tags are also there, all the tags in my niche. This saves a lot of time during video uploads. So you should also fix this to stay consistent within your uploads. So after doing all that, you click on save. Because mine is already done, so I don't have to do it again. So let's go to the other one, which is reviewing your channel keywords. So to review your channel keywords, you go to the click on channel there, and you see the basic information there. So these are the keywords to my YouTube channel. You see, so this helps to understand what my channel is all about and helps it recommend my videos to the right audience. After reviewing that, you save according to your niche. Another important fix is your channel layout. Now to fix this, you go to YouTube, your channel customization. So you see the icon here in your menu bar here, this icon, tap on it, this channel customization icon. From there, tap on home tab. So as you can see, the layout here. So I can customize the layout of my channel homepage with playlists so that new viewers coming to my YouTube channel don't just find random videos, but they find the best videos of mine. Like here, I've selected my playlist with my best videos in it, as you can see. So to do this, you tap on add section, and you see you can add single playlist, created playlist, or multiple playlists. So as you can see, I've added my single playlist of my best videos. So when viewers come to my YouTube channel homepage, what they see is a single playlist with my best videos. So when they click on it, it means they will watch my videos for a longer time, or rather they will binge watch my videos, and this will give me more views and watch hour and even subscribers. And to set that, you can check on my video in the description below. Another feature that you shouldn't forget is feature eligibility there. So you see all these features have to be enabled: standard features, intermediate features, and advanced features. This is where you can upload videos and add playlists and also add collaboration with other creators. And these features also help you do videos that go beyond 15 minutes. You can also customize your thumbnail and do live streaming if you only enable these features. And most importantly, the one that you shouldn't forget, and the one that is a game changer to my YouTube channel is community update, or you can say community posts. This is only enabled when you enable these advanced features right here, as you can see. So after you do all that, you save. This feature eligibility, you can only enable them when you verify your channel. How do you verify your channel? I did a video about that. You can check it in the description below. You have to verify your phone number, or you have to do verification in order to get them enabled. So let me show you how community updates has been a game changer to my YouTube growth. Let's go straight into it. Now I can check this on my YouTube Studio app. Let me click on it. Let's check at the analytics. Let me tap on content to check. Now here, posts. So see how community update has been significant in my YouTube channel growth. You see, my posts have a total impressions of 11,300. You see, with 511 likes, and I've gained 15 organic subscribers through my community posts. That's so amazing, you see. And these have happened within a period of less than 1 month. How amazing that is. So you can also implement these tips and quick fixes so that your channel can start performing well. It's that simple. Now that you know what could potentially be holding your channel back, it's time to take action and fix the issues. And if you found value in this video, like it, and you can share it with other creators so that they can also get value in it. And most importantly, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss out on any other growth tips and insights that I'll be sharing with you in my coming videos. See you in the next one.